It is raining, but I'm still making a video only for you. I'm using an umbrella and I'm making this video only for you. In this video, I'm going to teach you about the Waveapp financial accounting software. Okay, it's one of the useful Waveapp application which you can use using the internet. So, in this video, you will learn how can you use the Waveapp financial accounting software. So if you are also planning to use accounting software in free of cost using your internet connection, then it is one of the useful web application. Using this web application, you can use your uh, different kind of financial activities. Okay, so it's too much easy to use also. So if you want to know about this Waveapp financial accounting software, then you have to watch this video until the last. After watching this video, you will learn about the Waveapp financial accounting software. And hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Dipesh Raii. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. Okay, and if you are new in my YouTube channel, do subscribe and share in this video. So now I'm going to show you my computer screen. Just you have to follow all the steps which will be mentioned in my video. Okay, so guys, welcome back to in my computer screen. So in this video I'm going to teach you how can you use the wave a financial software. So it is designed for entrepreneurs, so you can check this is the interface of the web app. It's telling me that the better way to make, move and manage your money. Okay, so it's one of the useful free accounting software. Using this free accounting software, you can do various kind of things. You can create the invoice, okay, and you can manage your different kind of financial activities using this method. So there is a pricing also available, I think. So I think there are various kind of pricing also available for the web apps, but you can use this one freely also. Okay, so first of all, after going in the waveapps.com, and I'm giving you the website link in my video description also, so you can check that link also. Okay, so now you can see here it's giving me the pricing for the accounting also zero, and for the invoicing and for the receipt also zero, and everything is giving it's I think in the free of cost right now. Okay, so for the invoicing also it's zero. Okay, and if you click in the receipt also, it's totally free of cost right now. So maybe the company will change its strategies later, but still when I'm making this video, until that it is free. So after this I'm just creating a free account. So just click in the create your free account, and it will give me a new form, and you have to fill all the forms to use this free financial free software, free accounting software. Okay, so it's uh, just asking me the get password. Okay, so first of all I so in this time I'm just using my temporary email because I'm just using this web apps for the learning purpose only. Okay, so I'm just pasting that code email, and I'm just giving this one, and after this just clicking in the get started. So I think it will take a little bit time. It's telling that this field is required and this is a good password. It's telling me like that. So it's giving me the next window, right? It's telling that next waveapps.com/onboarding. Maybe it's sending me some email also here. So if I click here and the refresh, I think it will give me a new email. Okay, still there is no email inside my inbox. So if I went here, my internet is a little bit slow, that's why it's taking a little bit time, right? So it's asking me my name, so I'm just giving my name, and it's telling me my business name, so I'm just giving the base private limited, and it's asking me what does your business do. So I'm just giving the art photography and creative service, and just clicking in the next. So after this, it's giving me the uh, invoicing method. So it's giving me three options: send professional invoice, manage your accounting, and not sure yet. So I think I should to use this one, not sure yet. Okay, and it's asking me, are you currently in business? So if you are already in the business, just you have to choose yes, I am running in part-time, or yes, I am running in full-time. But if you are just using if you are not involved in any business, then just you have to choose not yet, but I'm launching it soon, or I'm just playing around with Wave. But in this time I'm just using is I'm running the part-time, and it's asking me the what type of business do you have, and I'm just giving the sole proprietorship. There are different kind of option: partnership, corporation, non-profit, but in this time I'm just using sole proprietorship, and click in the get started. It's telling me that hang tight, we are setting things up for you. So it's taking little bit time. Okay, so after this it will take a little bit time. So now still it's loading here. Maybe the web app is sending me some email inside my email account. Okay, so it's telling me that welcome Dipesh private limited. Okay, and it's asking me where do you want to start. So there are three options available: professional invoicing, better bookkeeping, and capture your receipt. You can choose any of them. So in this time I'm choosing professional invoicing. Okay, so now you can see here it's logging in. So it's loading again. Still it's not sending me email. I think it's due to my slow internet connection. So now you can see here, finally we got our dashboard of our web app. So it's first of all you have to give a logo. Okay, so if you have a logo, then you have to give a logo. So in this time I'm just choosing a logo. So I think there is a logo inside my computer, so I'm just giving this one. Okay, and it's uploading the logo right now, and you have to pick your the accent color. There are various kind of colors available. You have to choose any of them. So now you can see the color is changing, and you have to uh, choose your template. Okay, for the invoice. So there are basically three templates available right now. I think this is the perfect invoice uh, for me. So after this, now you can see here I got a logo also, and just click in the loop grades, and let's go. So now we are moving on our web app free accounting software dashboard. So now you can see here this is a interface of the web app accounting software. Now you can see here there are different kind of things and different kind of options available in my left side. The first option is dashboard, and the second one is sales, and the third one is purchase, accounting, payroll, and reports. Okay, so now you can see here it's again giving me before previous menu. So this is the dashboard of my web app free accounting software. So after this, the first thing you need to create is the customer. Okay, sorry, you have to create a vendor, because you have to purchase something from your vendor, right? So that's why let's go to in the purchase, and just click in the vendor. It's telling me that you haven't added any vendor yet, and you have to click in the add a vendor, and you can import from the CSV and the Google Contacts also. But in this time I'm just clicking in the add a vendor. There are various kind of useful things available inside the web apps which you can use in free of cost. Okay, so now you can use the vendor name. So example, I'm just giving the Rajendra Bhattarai. So I'm just using this name for the teaching purpose only. Okay, and you can put any email, rajendra@gmail.com, and Rajendra Bhattarai. Okay, and you can choose the currency also. Now I'm using this one from the Nepal, so that's why I'm using the NPR, or you can choose your required currency. Okay, but in this time I'm using the NPR, and you can choose the country, and you can choose the province also. Now you can see it's too much intelligence, it's giving every kind of things which you want. So I'm just using the Kosi, and I'm just giving the city name. Okay, and you have to give the postal code also. So I'm just giving the postal code, and you have to you can enter the additional information also from here, but it's not necessary. So you can put the account number, phone number, mobile number, toll-free number, and website also. But in this time I'm just clicking in the save. Okay, so you can create another vendor also if you need. Okay, so now you can see inside my vendor list there is a one vendor, Rajendra Bhattarai, is available inside my vendor list. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is product and service. So first of all you have to click in the product and services, and after this you have to create products inside your Waveapp free accounting software. So it's loading, it depends on your internet speed. Okay, basically Waveapp is we can use using the internet. So without internet we cannot use the Waveapp free accounting software. So inside my product and services also is telling that you haven't added any product yet. So I'm just clicking in the add a product or services. So from here you can create a product or service for your businesses. So it depends on your business, what kind of business you are doing. If you are doing computer selling business, then in that case you can create a computer related products. Or if you are giving the service based businesses, then in that case you can use the service name directly. But in this case I'm just using the laptop. Okay, and this is a MacBook Pro. Okay, sorry, I'm just giving the laptop name also, MacBook Pro, and you have to give the price also. So I'm just giving the price, how much, the 25, sorry, 1 2 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I'm just giving the tick in the sell this, and I'm just giving in the buy this also. So now you can see here there are the two accounts already came in the below of the option. So now you can see here the first option is income account, the second option is expense account. So for the income account, just you have to click in the sales. Okay, for the expenses account you have to type the purchase maybe. Just wait for a moment. Here is different kind of expenses available. So I think I should to give a computer and hardware. Okay, and you can add a sales tax also. If you want to add the sales tax, just click in the add new tax, but in this time I am not using the tax. Okay, and just click in the save. So I have created a MacBook Pro, that is my product. Okay, so now you can see here inside my product and services there is one products available inside my product list. Okay, so again I am just giving of service name, such as computer maintenance, and mm, in the description also I'm just giving computer maintenance. Okay, and for the price I'm just giving 1000, and I'm just giving the sale this, and for this one sales only. I will not buy this one, okay, because I'm just giving the computer maintenance service. So after this, click in the save. So I have created one product and one service inside my product and service list. So now you can see here there is a MacBook Pro available. So I'm creating another product also. So just wait for a moment, it's taking a little bit time. So I'm just giving the desktop computer. So desktop computer of HP. Okay, so I'm just giving the HP, okay, with i7 7th generation uh, CPU. Okay, and I'm just giving this one 95,000, and just click in the sales account and just choose sales. And for the buy this also you have to choose the computer and hardware. Okay, and after this just click in the save. So after creating different kind of product and services, now you have to create the customer. So for the sales you have to click in the customer. So now you can see here inside the customer also there is no customer right now. So you can directly import from the CSV and Google contacts also, but in this time I'm using the Waveapp features to add a customer. So from the add a customer you can create a customer. So I'm just clicking XYZ private limited and XYZ ppt ltd at the rate gmail.com, and I can give the phone number also. Okay, and you can choose the contact details, and you can choose the billing information for such as currency, address line. So in this time I'm just using the Dhankuta and the postal code. Just wait for a moment, I'm just giving the postal code and the country. Okay, so I'm just giving this one all the details. Okay, so after this you can choose the shipping address also if you are giving the delivery service, but in this time I'm not using a delivery service and I'm leaving this one. And you can add the account number, the fax, mobile number, and toll-free number also, but in this time I'm not using any of them. Okay, so after this just click in the save. So these are the most necessary thing if you are using a web app. The first thing is you need a vendor, the second thing is you need the product and services, and the third thing you need is a customer. Okay, so now you can see here inside my customer list also there is a there is my one customer available. Okay, so now you can see here if you want to purchase some goods or products, then in that case just you have to click in the receipt. Okay, so just wait for a moment, it's again loading in. Now you have to create a receipt. Okay, so it's loading in. So now you can see here it's telling that go paperless, keep digital copies of your receipt and maximize your reduction of tax. It means if you want to if you have already get some few receipts from your vendors, then in that case you can use this one and you can directly upload your receipt from here. Okay, but if you want to create a bill, or if you purchase some goods from your vendor and you want to make that transaction systematically inside web app accounting software, then you can choose the bills. Okay, so now you can see here is telling that you don't have any bills because I still didn't purchase anything from my vendor. So after this I'm just clicking in the create a bill. Okay, so so after create a bill, So it will give me a new window. So first of all, I have to choose a vendor. So there is a one vendor inside my company, so that is Rajendra Bhattarai, and I'm choosing the currency, and you can choose the date also, and you can give the bill number. So I'm just giving the bill number one, and you can give some note also, and you can add the PO box also if your vendor is using a PO box. And from here you can choose the item. So first of all, I'm just giving the SP desktop computer. So now you can see it's already giving me everything details. Okay, so you can choose a tax also, but in this time I think I should to give a tax also, right? The tax is VAT. Okay, and the tax rate I'm just giving the 15%. So I'm just giving the income tax for government. Okay, and you can give the tax number also, and after this I'm just clicking in the add tax. So it's giving me that VAT. So I'm just clicking in the add tax. Okay, so it's telling me that successfully created tax VAT, so I'm just giving the VAT 15%. So now we can see here there is a uh, mm, there is a vendor available. Okay, so from this vendor we are purchasing the SP desktop computer. So how many quantity? So I am just buying 100 pieces. Okay, so with the VAT 15%. Okay, so the VAT will be 14,000 sorry, 1,42,500. Okay, oh sorry, 14 lakh 25,000, and the total will be rupees how much, 1 lakh sorry, 1 crore 9,25,000. Okay, so if you want to purchase another item also, just you have to click in the add a line, but in this time I'm not purchasing any of them. Okay, so after this just click in the save. So now you can see here it's telling me that successfully create bill from the Rajendra Bhattarai. Okay, so it's saving the bill. So now you can see here inside my bill there is a only one bill available. So it's still in the uh, not paid. Okay, I just created a bill only, but I didn't pay to my vendor this bill. So if you want to pay to your vendor, then in that case you have to click in the record of payment, and from this one you have to choose the payment method. So you can choose the bank payment, check, cash, credit card, PayPal, and others. So I am just using the cash. Okay, so you can choose the payment date, and you can choose the uh, memo. So I am just using the payment, sorry, payment made to my vendor. So after this I'm just clicking the save. Okay, so now you can see here successfully added rupees uh, 1 crore 9 lakh 25,000 payment. Okay, so now you can see here it's already the paid status, the payment status in the paid mode. So our transaction has been completed. Okay, so now you can see here so now we have a few product and services inside our company, right? So I want to sell those products to my customer. So for this one, just go to inside the sales, and if your customer asks the estimate, just you have to click in estimate, and you can prepare a estimate for your customer. Okay, and you can show the estimates to your customer, but now you can see here there is no any estimates available. So I'm just clicking in the create an estimates. Okay, so I'm just clicking in the estimates. So first of all you have to give the estimate and the estimate number, and you can choose a customer. Okay, and you can choose the currency and the soft heading and footer and memo, but in this time I'm uh, making all the blank, and just I'm giving a product. In this time I have a SP desktop computer, right? So I'm just giving the price 1 lakh 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and you can put the tax also. And after this I am just saving this one. And after this now you can see here successfully created estimate number one. And now if you want to send this one, just click in the send, and you can send using Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and Outlook, or you can directly share this link also, or you can directly export as a PDF and you can print this estimate to your customer. Okay, so the next thing, the most useful thing is invoice. So now after showing the estimate, you want to sell those products to your customer, then just you have to click in the invoice. Okay, so after this it will take little bit time. It depends on your internet speed. So now you can see here still there is no invoice created inside my company. So now you can see here overdue 0 rupees, due within next 30 days also 0. So if I want to create the invoice, you can click in the create your first invoice, or you can directly click in the create on invoice. So I am just creating an invoice. So first of all you have to click in add customer. So I have a one customer only available right now, XYZ Private Limited, and you can give the invoice number. So I am just giving the invoice number 01, and you can put the post box number also, but in this time I'm just add an item. Okay, so I have only one product, right? So SP Desktop Computer, so I'm just selling those products in 1 lakh, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and I can give the VAT person also. Okay, so after this you can uh, uh, put some note also, for example, thank you for using our service. And after this just you have to click in the save and continue. Okay, or you can give some footer also, but in this time I'm just uh, using in the save and continue. And after this just click in the approve draft. So now it's approving the draft. So now you can send the invoice. Okay, or you can directly click in the mark is sent, or you can get a shareable link if you want to share this invoice link to your customer. Okay, so after this I'm just clicking in the mark is sent. Okay, and after this still it's not paid right now. So if I click in the invoice, I think the status is the unpaid. Okay, so it's showing me the amount due, the 1,15,000. Okay, so if I want to so if I receive the payment from my customer, just click in the record payment. Okay, so after this just you have to choose the payment method. Maybe the customer is paying from the cash, just you can choose the cash, or if he's paying from the PayPal, just you can choose the PayPal. But in this time I'm using the cash, and the payment account is cash in hand. Okay, so cash receipt from customer, and just click in the submit. So now my one invoice has been created successfully. Okay, so now you can see here there is no more paid invoice available inside my invoice. Okay, so you can create the recurring invoice also. Okay, and there are different kind of things available. So using the recurring invoice, automate your invoice on a schedule that works for you and your customers. It means if you want to create an invoice in every 1 month or every week or every day, then in that case you can use this feature. It will generate a invoice for your customer and for you automatically. Okay, so you can choose you can use the customer statements also. So from the customer statements you can check the statements of your uh, customer. Okay, so I am just using the account activity and click in the create statements. So I am just giving this one, and from to, so I'm just giving the create statement.
So maybe it will create a statement. So now you can see here my customer is created uh, my customer has purchased a computer from me, okay, and he gave me a payment in same date, okay. So there are lots of feature inside the sales. Oh, okay. So the another useful things inside the purchase is the bills received vendor service. We have already covered all the features, okay. So now if I click in the dashboard, what will happen? So maybe it will give me some reports, okay. So please tell me so now you can see here it's giving me the dashboard interface inside my computers, okay. So now you can see here it's showing me the cash flow chart, okay. So and it giving me the profit and loss chart also, and it's giving the payable and owing, okay. It's giving me every detail, it's giving me the expenses breakdown. And if I want to view the report, just you have to click in the view report from here also. And now inside the accounting there is a different kind of things available. The first thing is transaction. So if I click in the transaction, it will give me a different option, right? So inside the transaction there will be different kind of transaction available, whatever I have did before. So now you can see here I have created a invoice, I have received a bill, okay. The different kind of things available. So you can use the reconciliation also. So from the reconciliation also you can get different kind of things. It's telling that the secret to financial confidence, run accurate reports and make tax season stress free by reconciling your account. So you can use this feature also, okay, but in this time I'm not using this one. So you can use the chart of accounts. From the chart of account you will get the every details about your uh, accounts. So now you can see here there are different kinds of accounts available. In the assets there is a two accounts, in the liabilities and credit card there is a two accounts, in the income there is a three, in the expenses there is 29, and in the equity there is a two accounts available. And if you want to create another account, just click in the add a new account. For example, if you want to create sundry debtor or sundry creditor, in that case you can create a add a new account, but in this time I'm not using this one. So for the payroll, so if you want to manage your staff or employee, then in that case you can use this feature. Using the payroll, you can manage your all the staff detail or the employee detail, but it is only available for the US and Canadian business only, okay. It will not available to another country. For example, for the Nepal also it is not available, so that's why I'm not showing this one. But just you have to understand payroll is for the maintain your employee and employer details, okay. And you can manage them and you can create salary details and salary structure and different kind of things available inside the payroll. And from the report you can get different kind of various reports available, okay. So I'm just going here. So from the report you can get the report of profit and loss, you can get the report of balance sheet, cash flow, sales tax, different kind of things available inside here. So you can uh, get the report of income by customer and age, receivables and purchase by vendors and aged payables. And you can get the report of account balance, trial balance and account transaction. Okay, different kind of features available inside your reports, okay. So so from the settings you can get a different kind of settings related with your web app accounting software. So so finally, so it is one of the useful features or useful accounting software which can be used in free of cost using internet connection. So now you can share inside the setting also you can share the date and currency. In this time I'm just using the NPR, okay. So you can share the users also from here, maybe there will be the different staffs available inside your company. So in that case, you can create another user also. You can give the permission to use this company to your staffs. For example, for the admin, editor, payroll manager, different kind of things available. And you can use the invoice customization. You can choose the receipt and date and currency, sales tax, and data export. Different kind of things available inside the sections. Hoping that you get a few ideas about the Waveapp free accounting software. It is also one of the useful and popular free accounting software. Okay, so using this free accounting software, you can track your transaction and you can run your small businesses. Okay, so this is one of the beneficial things for your small business. So I'm hoping that you get some few ideas about the Waveapp financial accounting software. That's it.
Hoping that you get few ideas about the Waveapp financial software, and if you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections. I'll make a separate video on that topic. Okay, and if you learn something from this video, please give me a like. It will give me some motivation to make more videos on this YouTube channel. And please share this video to among the people who are searching this kind of videos. Okay, and I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.